Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. And today we'll explain how to get list of group you managed or joined on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. We have two ways to get group on Facebook. First one is to press on this icon. Then click on your groups. You can find here group you manage, this one, and second one other which you joined. This is the first way. Let's try the second one. Go back. At first click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Then press on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get access your information. Then tap on your activity across Facebook. Scroll down a little bit till we get your groups. Click on your groups. Here you can find group you manage and group you joined. If you want to sort group you joined, just press on this icon. Here you can find several options. First one, most visited. Second one, group A to Z. Let's press on it. You will find that group which you joined arranged as following A to Z. Let's press on this icon again. Third option is recently joined. Just press on it. You will find here that group arranged as recently joined. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to get list of group you managed or joined on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.